Hi guys, today I going to spin my VIP pen. So guys, you can see this is a VIP pen and look how it's shining. Oh wow, this looks so cool and so unique pen. Okay guys, and I buy this pen 600 rupees and this is so rare pen also. You can't find on Amazon. Okay guys, and look how it's look and how it's shining, so smooth guys. I like it. It looks so good. How it's good guys. I spinning it. Okay, let's spin it and look how it spin. Okay, let's try. Oh guys, this can't spin. This pen is not for spinning. This pen is for writing. Okay guys, but I trying to spinning it. Oh guys, this pen is so costly. If this broken, if this fell and broke, then I get so much loss. Okay guys, okay, let's. Oh guys, this pen can't spin. Okay guys, but yeah, this pen is so good and I like it so much guys. Okay, say in comment how you like this pen or not. Okay, now I can spin it some. Okay, wow, and look it top guys, look how it is shining. Wow, look guys, look. Wow, it's so beautiful. A wonderful pen guys. VIP pen, you can say it. Okay, yes guys, this is VIP pen only. Look how it's shining. Look it golden top. Okay, I can show you from the social. Okay, this. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video of lifestyle and pen spinning, drawing, craft, everything. Bye bye, tata.